Hey guys, so today I'm going to start my first video on this channel. On this channel I'm going to be going over anything really math, physics, and engineering related that I think that could be of help to you guys out there who are going through school right now. These are things that I looked up throughout my college career that helped me throughout. So yeah, I'm going to be going over anything math, physics, engineering related, more specifically mechanical engineering related, as that's my specialty. That's what I majored in. So yeah, today we're going to be going over just very simple forces. This is basically physics 1 level, just simple stuff that you'll see in physics 1. There will be no calculus in this right now. You'll have an option to take physics 1 with or without calc. Engineers are going to have to take it with calc. There's a little bit of a difference between the two. But yeah, so we're going to start off with a simple force balance problem or scenario. So here in this scenario, we have a box on the ground. In this scenario, we're going to say there's no friction. This is a frictionless surface between the box and the ground. So on one side of the box, we have a guy over here pushing with, we're going to call this F1. Okay. Then you have two guys over here who are each pushing on this box with their own force. So this littler guy right here, we're going to say he is F2. And this bigger guy on the right here is F3. So what you want to do in your early classes in physics and let's say statics and mechanics of materials and stuff like that, you're going to be dealing with non-dynamic forces or static forces, which basically means the object that is being forced upon is not moving. There is no acceleration. Therefore, when you write out Newton's second law, which is sum of the forces equals the mass times the acceleration, you're going to have that acceleration is 0. Therefore, the right side of the equation goes to 0. So all you have left is the sum of the forces is equal to 0. So basically all you have to do is look at your free body diagram here, which I would always recommend to draw out a free body diagram and label your forces and label everything so that way you can get a clear picture inside your head. So basically what you're going to do is you have a coordinate system within the problem, which in this problem everything is going in one direction along one coordinate system, in one direction. So therefore, if we labeled our coordinate system, say that's x in this direction and y in this direction, everything is in the x direction. So we can say that F1 is moving in the positive x direction. So therefore, we're going to say F1 is positive. So remember, we're summing the forces. So then on the other side, since F2 is going in the negative x direction, going this way, going that way, you're going to say F2, but you're going to subtract F2. F2 is negative. Same thing with F3. F3 is going this way in the negative x direction. So you're going to subtract F3 from there. Then all of that, this is your sum of your forces. So you're going to equal that to 0. So say you wanted to find say we know what F2 and F3 are. Let's say F2 is 5 newtons and F3 is 10 newtons. Therefore, move down here. Therefore, you're going to have F1, which is your unknown, minus 5 newtons minus 10 newtons is equal to 0. Then it's just simple math from here. You get F1. We're going to combine these right here. So what you get is minus 15 newtons is equal to 0. Then you want to bring everything, all your knowns to one side and leave your unknowns on their own, so that way you can solve for the unknown. That way you're going to get F1 is equal to 15 newtons. So to keep this box in static equilibrium, which basically just means that your acceleration is 0 and this whole side of the equation goes to 0, to keep that in static equilibrium, F1 has to be 15 newtons. Like I said, that's just a very simple problem. I'm gonna go start going over a little tougher problems like boxes on inclines and stuff like that, and anything I can think of that would help you guys out. If you guys want to see anything, any type of problem worked out, let me know in the comments and I'll try to figure it out. If I don't know how to do it, I'll try to figure it out and show you guys how to do that. All right, thanks guys.